Hello friends, welcome to CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch in our exercise number 4, and maximum time will be 10 to 15 minutes, and I will also provide the link of this image in description box. Okay, so let's start. Select a plane, right plane and normal. Now draw a rectangle here, a center rectangle, and now dimension it. It is our 30 millimeter and height is 12. Okay, finish sketch and extrude, and extrude is 90 millimeter. Okay, now going to right plane again and make this cut. Okay, draw a sketch a rectangle again, and this time corner rectangle on this plane, and dimension it. It is our 5 millimeter and width is 14. Okay, one end direct distance is 8 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch. Now go to extrude cut and through all. Okay, click OK. So you can see our cut is complete. Now make this chamfer or cut. This is 30 by 30. Okay, simply select and go to the top view first. Okay, this end. Okay, go to chamfer and distance, select 30, and this is also 30, and select a face or edge. Now click OK. So our chamfer is complete. Now make this portion view orientation front view. Okay, this is in back side. Okay, let's take a plane and distance is 30 millimeter. Okay, flip direction and click OK, and normal tool and draw a sketch. This is from here. Okay, so draw a sketch. And this radius is 15 millimeter. Make a fillet 15 millimeter. This line should be vertical. Now give the distance of the center. This is 42, and now extrude 8 millimeter. Go there, feature and extrude. Flip direction. Distance is 8 millimeter, and this type no untick from merge result. This body is separate and this is separate body. Click OK. So you can see our first portion is complete. we have some changes over there. I think it should be some straight portion here. Okay, this is okay, but some straight portion there. Okay, so we have to edit our sketch and in one normal to and draw a line here and delete this relation and this also. Firstly delete this line and draw a separate line. Okay, now give some angle to fix this dimension. Sorry. Okay, and now finish sketch. So now this is looking exactly same. Okay, go to plane and hide this plane. Now make this portion. Okay, select this face and normal to draw a circle, this radius and dimension it. This is 30. Now extrude. This is 16 to total 8 millimeters. Merge result. Okay. Now the inner circle is 15 millimeter. Okay. Sketch. Draw a circle. This face. Sorry. And this dimension 15 millimeter. And now extrude cut. That's the throughout. And okay. I don't know the circle is throughout or some dimension is not there, so I take it throughout. Okay, now make this portion, click on this face and normal to and draw some circles, 1 and 2. Now dimension it, it is 16 there. Okay, now make some relation equal and distance also 15 millimeter and this distance is 24. Now this distance is 15 millimeter. Okay, and this is 15 millimeter. Okay, now extrude it. 2 mm, I think. Okay, 2 mm, and okay. Now make the inner circle. This is 8 by this also 8 mm, and now feature extrude cut and to all and click OK. So our 4 number exercise is complete. Hope you like it. Then if you have any doubts, then please comment and share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.